How to make authentic Newfoundland coffee, traditional recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you, a taste of Newfoundland right in your coffee mug. We're going to show you how to make an authentic Newfoundland coffee that's sure to warm your heart. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee. 1 ounce of screech rum, or any dark rum. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, adjust to taste. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened whipped cream. A dash of ground cinnamon, optional. A pinch of grated orange zest, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Brew a strong coffee. Start with a strong cup of freshly brewed coffee. Make sure it's hot and ready to go. Step 2. Sweeten with brown sugar. Now, let's add a little sweetness to our Newfoundland coffee. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar should do the trick, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Step 3. Pour in the screech rum. Here's where it gets interesting. Add 1 ounce of screech rum, a famous Newfoundland dark rum, to your coffee. This is what gives it that unique Newfoundland flavor. Step 4. Top with whipped cream to give our coffee that comforting touch. Let's top it off with a generous dollop of unsweetened whipped cream. It's like a warm, cozy blanket for your coffee. Step 5. Garnish with cinnamon and orange zest, optional. For those who want to take it up a notch, sprinkle a dash of ground cinnamon for a hint of spice and a pinch of grated orange zest for a citrusy twist. It's entirely optional but highly recommended. Step 6. Enjoy your Newfoundland coffee. And there you have it, your very own authentic Newfoundland coffee. It's a delicious and warming treat, perfect for chilly mornings or cozy evenings. Don't forget to give it a good stir before sipping. Cheers! Thank you so much for joining us today to learn how to make this delightful Newfoundland coffee. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our tasty recipes and travel adventures. Until next time, stay caffeinated and stay cozy. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.